here, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to share some DIYs that I've done creating some faux whipped desserts. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time. I've watched many videos on YouTube, and finally I've gotten the chance to make some faux whipped desserts, and these are going to be Valentine themed. And you could use this for any theme you want. Obviously, it could be just winter themed, or if you just love desserts, birthdays, anything you want. But in my case, they're Valentine's themed, and I think they came out adorable. So let me show you what materials you will need for this and get right on into it. I'm going to be using these cute little cups from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm also going to be using this candle from the Dollar Tree, along with my spackle. And then I already had on hand this white paint and some of this red paint because I want to try and get it to be light pink in color. Then I have this nutmeg brown. This is for the chocolate syrup. I've got my sprinkles. I got my glossy Mod Podge. I also have here some styrofoam balls. Then I have my pastry bag, guys. This is a silicone one, and it came with a bunch of tips. I got this from Amazon. And then I have here some fake cherries and some real candies. And then I have fake candies. So that's all the supplies I believe we'll be using. So I'm gonna be using 4 here. It seems like it's more than enough, but I don't wanna have to worry about mixing more up. I'd rather just throw it out. So this is $4 worth of spackle. It's a lot of spackle, I think. So that's how it looks. And now I'm gonna add my white paint and my red paint. From a lot of the videos I've watched, they recommend adding white into here just to keep it more white, even though I'm gonna add some pink. But I have these 2 whites. This is matte, this is satin. This is almost empty. I don't know if there's a difference, but I'm just gonna pour it in. Adding this paint actually makes it mix up better. It feels more like whipped cream now and less like spackle. So just a little red, and I got that exact pink color that I was going for. It looks so cute right now, this color pink. And now we're gonna put it into this cake bag or the pastry bag, whatever you guys call this. I'm not an avid baker. I only got this just to do this project, but maybe I'll start baking. So as I'm doing this, this looks messy, this looks awkward, I don't know you guys, but I'm trying to get all the spackle in the bag here, and at the same time I'm wondering how long this stuff stays moist like this for. When using 2 of these little styrofoam balls, it really fills it up well, so you don't have to waste and deal with all that spackle. So I basically just cut a piece of wire. It just came literally out of a paper clip, and that way these 2 could be together just like that. So this part, you guys, I was so scared for. I thought I was gonna mess it up, but in all honesty, I really don't think you can mess it up. You just squeeze and go round and round, and it's kind of actually fun. And then if necessary, you could go back and touch it on up as well. Now I'm just adding the sprinkles. Oh boy, it sounds like sprinkles are going everywhere but on here, but they are getting on and they are getting everywhere. Now I'm gonna add my cherry. For the fake hot chocolate, I'm just going to put like equal parts of the chocolate paint and my Mod Podge all in this little dish and scoop it on top. And here's how they came out. I think they look so super real, so super cute. All the little candies and the cherry on top, the chocolate syrup, and I just love these. I love how they turned out. They were super easy to make. And they look super delicious. All right, guys, that is it for today. That was my project using the spackle to make faux whipped desserts. And I had a tremendous amount of fun doing this, you guys. Super simple, super easy, and I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, guys, I hope you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.